literal equations. All right. So an example of a literal equation is A times B plus C is equal to D. Solve for C. Okay. So there are two ways that you could solve for this. You could either divide by A to unlock what's inside here, or you could distribute the A to what's inside and do AB plus AC. So until you do it, you don't really know which method is better, so let's just see which one happens. Which one is shorter and which one's easier. Let's try the left one. Let's try and divide A and unlock what's inside B and C, inside the parentheses. All right, so if we divide the left side by A, we also need to divide the right side by A. And when we do that, we cancel out the A's on this side, and we get B plus C is equal to D over A. All right, since we're solving for C, we're going to want to isolate for C. So let's get just C left on the side. So in order to do that, we're going to need to subtract B. Let me just write that down a little bit lower. Minus B, minus B. So now on this side, we're just left with C. We have C is equal to D over A minus B. Okay. So that's what we get for this side. And we did that in 1 and 2 steps. Okay. Let's try if we distributed the A. Let's see if that's any better. Okay, so step 1, multiply the A with the B plus the C. So AB plus AC is equal to D. Now, since we're looking for the C, we would do, let's see, well, let's isolate. Let's just leave this guy all alone. So let's subtract AB. And on this side as well, AB. Then we're just left with AC is equal to D minus AB. Okay, and since we're solving for C, on this side we have AC. We don't want the A, and it's being multiplied to C. So let's do the opposite. Let's divide it by C. And if we divide this side by C, we also have to divide this side by C. So let's do that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, no, no. Not by C. By A. We have to divide by what we want to get rid of. Okay. So these cancel out, and you get C is equal to D over A minus AB over A. Okay, and then we can cancel out these A's. Boop, boop. So what we're left with is C is equal to D over A minus B. Okay, and look, we have the same answer. Let's see how many steps it took us to do this one. So we had 1. We then subtracted the AB, 2. We then divided it by A. Okay, so this one took us 3 steps, whereas this one took us 2 steps. So the key is this. If you ever have B and C separate by addition, and you have something being multiplied, don't multiply it. Don't combine things. Try and just keep removing things. So first remove the A, and then subtract B. If you combine it, it's not the end of the world. It just takes an extra step and it gets a little bit more messy. So in general, when you're solving for things, try to keep things apart. All right, cool. Let me know if that made sense. Have a good day.